Okay, tell whether the graph represents a direct variation. If so, identify the constant of variation and then write the direct variation equation. So direct variation is another way of talking about proportional relationships. Now, if you remember, a proportional relationship, the graph of a proportional relationship passes through the origin right there. And so this is a direct variation, and we're going to be looking at y equals kx, where k is the constant of proportionality, and also k is the slope, and the slope is the rise over the run, as you probably know. So we can take from here, and then we're just going to rise until we get to 1. Now 1, if I zoom in here, 1 is in between these two right here. So one's about here. And now if I draw a line going straight up there, it looks like the y is going to be 8. There you go. 8. So the rise is 8 and the run is 1. And usually we talk about rise being rise 8, run 1. I just happen to do it in the reverse. But that's pretty easy because we would have rise 8 and run 1, which is really just 8. So it's going to be y equals 8x. And that is the answer to this. Now we can just see the graph represents direct variation. K is 8. No, it's not x equals 8y, it's y equals 8x. So k is 8, the equation is y equals 8x. Our answer is B.